Hello friends, in this video we will see how to develop a simple function in Python. There are three steps in developing a function. The first step in developing a function is identifying the name for the function. The second step is defining the function itself. The third step is calling the function. Let's decide the name of a function to be motivation. I'll type def I'll type def motivation open brackets and close brackets with a colon. Then I'll decide while calling the function named motivation, a motivational code will be printed. So I'll type print success is the answer inside the double quotes. The third step is calling the function. I'll call the function with motivation, open brackets, close brackets. Now when I run it, I'll get the answer.